Welcome to my channel. We are going to learn how to simplify this algebraic expression right here correctly. 90% of students got this wrong. By making this simple mistake, I'm going to review to you in the first workings. Now, let's have a solution. The question, we have 8 to the power of 2 minus into 40 divided by 5 multiply by 4 divided by 2 to the power of 2. Now, some students will first of all start this in this way: 8 to the power of 2, that is 64. Then in the parentheses we have 40 divided by 5, that to give 8 multiply by 4 divided by 2 to the power of 2. Then have 64 in parentheses. Just simplify this out. 8 multiplied by 4, that to give 32 divided by 2 to the power of 2. Then here they have 64 minus 32, that is give 32 divided by 2 to the power of 2. Then again we have 32, 2 to the power of 2, that to give 4. Then 32 divided by 4, that will give 8. But this very answer here is wrong. When as such, this first approach here is completely wrong. Now, to solve this question correctly, we are going to have this 8 to the power of 2 minus into 40 divided by 5 multiply by 4, then divided by 2 to the power of 2. Now right here, we are going to apply what we call PEMDAS, or you apply BODMAS. These two operators will give the same answer if you apply them correctly. Now in this given expression, we have first here parentheses, that is the bracket, and the next we have exponents, and we also have multiplication and division. We don't have addition, and we have subtraction here. Now, to get this right, you need to follow this order of operation. The first thing you need to consider here is to treat the bracket first. That is the parentheses right here. Then, applying this, we are going to have here 8 to the power of 2 minus, we treat this parentheses first, 40 divided by 5, that will give 8. We have here 8 multiplied by 4, then divided by 2 to the power of 2. We still have to break this down. Then we repeat this: 8 to the power of 2 minus, now we clear out the bracket completely, 8 multiplied by 4, that will give us 32. Then divided by 2 to the power of 2. And right here, the next operator to be considered is exponents, and we have exponent here. Then we need to claim with base. Now 8 to the power of 2, that will give us 64 minus 32, then divided by 2 to the power of 2, that give us 4. Now the next operator to be considered here is division. Now from here we have division here. You need to consider it first before subtraction. Then we have here 64 minus 32. 32 divided by 4, that will give us 8. We have 8 here. Then lastly, we consider subtraction. And we have here 64 minus 8. That will give us 56. And this is the correct answer to this given expression right here. Please do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and if you have done that already, thank you so much, and stay tuned for more interesting videos from this channel. See you in the next video.